Is it the goal of the Patent and Trademark Office to automate this entire process? If I invent a new way to roast coffee or something, I can submit it, and 3 days later, a machine sends me back a patent. What's the goal?
Luke, I'm glad you asked that question because it's something that comes up time and time again from internal stakeholders as well as our external customers. This concept of, will we see a robot adjudicator or robot patent examiner? The answer,
presumably
as far as
heavily using AI.
Indeed.
Yes.
Indeed, heavily using AI, ML, maybe the new fancy generative AI stuff coming out seemingly every week. As far as I'm able to ascertain that the probability of that being feasible, right now is 0. And it's 0 precisely because, one, even the most powerful AI technologies out there are not able to apply higher order logic that is the bread and butter of patent adjudication. Patent adjudication is one of these weird hybrid fields of both law and science. It's actually one of the, I think it's unlike any other government adjudication process in the country. It's this integration of law, science, and of course the current patent application that's being examined. And you have to integrate all these disparate concepts, sometimes going to Title 35 of the US Code, sections, 102 and 103, and then sometimes, digging up, references, a reference book or an encyclopedia or a white paper, that's, only retrievable through, the recesses of the internet or the search databases. Integrating all this disparate information and figuring out what to do with it is something that you can't get just by pattern matching. You can probably get, a facially reasonable imitation of that process, but ultimately that process, as done by the current state of the art in AI, will not reach the level of sophistication, accountability, or transparency that our customers and the IPC ecosystem at large ultimately demands of the USPTO. So for those reasons, I don't think we're going to see, robot examiners take over the office. The vision for AI and ML at the USPTO is to augment and empower examiners and our human experts, not to replace. By putting these tools in the hands of the people who are best equipped to make those final adjudication decisions, and by giving them more access to more information, more relevant information, and more timely information, that's how we can best incorporate AI and ML into the business of government and into the business of the USPTO.